Hey friends, if you encounter the Windows backup error code 0x8100002F when you try backing up files in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f. Press Y and hit enter once again. This will invoke the check disk scan, and if it doesn't help, then just ignore the message. You can still backup, and if you're not able to backup, then just copy paste the files to another external drive and cloud reset your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.